Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you like 5 sites which is gonna help any teenagers out there, like who are just in school or who are just finished their college, who are in the teenage. Like I'm talking in the range of 15, 16, 17. Like just about to finish or about to reach 20. All these people who are all looking, this is the age where you need that extra cash. So I'm just going to reveal you like 5 sites, like 5 different jobs. Like you can online, you can sitting from anywhere in the world, whichever place you are, everywhere throughout the world, you can work on these websites and you can start making money online. This is the places where anybody who want to start making, they will do. This is like a place where anybody can go in and join like for free. Okay, that's the reason. Main thing I'm showing is for free. This is a place where you can join for free and you can start make money online. Okay, let's jump onto the video. Okay, if this is the first time watching, this is my channel. You can see all of the videos I do are all about make money online. I'm sure each and every video will help you in some way or other to make money online, either whether it is going to be $10 or $30 or up to $500 to $1,000. Both I have shown. You can check it out. Okay, if this is the first time, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I do new videos like this. Anyway, the first website today, as a teenager, you can make money online is, before even I say anything, I need to tell you something. Everything I show you, you need to put effort. It's not just you do go and register and you just leave it. You need to register every day. You go into the website and look for opportunities, because this is like billions of people are online every day looking for opportunities to do, to make money online. If you're gonna be lazy, it's not gonna happen. It is free, but you need to work hard, okay, in order to get that jobs and in order to make money. Okay, that's important. Okay, let's jump on to the first one. This is something, I have many websites for each and every topic which I'm going to show you. The first one is Verbal Planet, but I can't show you like many websites. I'm going to just, that's why I made like top 5, something which is going to be a quick way or a faster way you can join and you can start making. So the first one is this is Verbal Planet. See, anybody like as a teenager, you will be having some kind of, me as an Indian, or like whichever country you're coming from, will have some dual languages. Like I know like Hindi, like English, like Urdu. I'm not maybe perfect in everything, but you'll have some language skills. So this is a website. What I teaches that teach languages online. You can connect with the whole world of new teaching opportunities. What you come do is apply online, and whichever the language you try and subscribe and keep it here. You'll be able to basically you're becoming a tutor. Like you already like a teacher who are going to teach somebody the language. This is one of the website, a genuine website which has been there for quite long and it has been paying really really well. I know many of my friends are using this one, because I'm like, when I started I did all these kind of websites, but now I'm more into affiliate marketing and make money online, like to the high ticket affiliate marketing. But if you are like a newbie, if you're a beginner, these kind of things will be very very useful, where you know some languages. You can register, you can teach English, man. I know people are teaching English students, the Chinese students English, what I mean, the Arabic students English. These people, they want to learn English, so you can be that person who will be, as a tutor. You can start making money online. This is one of the top websites. There are like 3 or 4 I know, but I'm just going to give you one this time, because I just need to cover the other topics as well, because everybody will not be interested in languages. So this is first website I want to show you. This is a Verbal Planet. I'll leave a link below to everything, but if you want, just note it down. That's the first one. The second one is Go Transcript, gotranscript.com. What is this? I have shown you other websites on this topic where transcription jobs. What is this is, you will be given a video or audio, then you just need to type it in. You'll be given this video audio like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you need to convert it into a text format. So this, if you see, they pay like up to 60 cents per audio. You can see this average earnings per month is like around 150. This is what I'm telling you. We are not talking in the range of 500,000. We are talking in this range of, monthly like 100, 200, 300, which is a very good handsome money for any teenager for the everyday spend. So just stick to this one. This will be a very good place where you can start earning, like I'm talking in the range. You can see this $1, $2 per minute, and it's an awesome way to start your online journey. You can see this, and make sure whatever the website I show you, these are all legal ones, not like you can't use a fake email, you can't use like VPN or proxy. Don't do that. Okay, try to be genuine and have used a proper email, and you should be able to go good with this one. You can see this is all about transcription jobs. Come here, I just don't want to show you each and everything, how to register and stuff. It's so simple. You register, sign up, and you should be good to go. Okay, this is a gotranscript.com. So this is the second one. The third one, this is my favorite actually, Skillshare. What is Skillshare? Okay, this is a very good website. Just being a teenager, what you will be knowing it, something or other, right? You might be good at video, you might be good at I don't know, drawing, you might be good at, tell me, computers, you might be good at cooking. Whatever be your skill, whatever be your knowledge, come here, register, do a video of it and add it to this platform, whichever platform, say animation, design, illustration, whatever you're good at, you come, and this is the place you sell video courses. So this is the third one I'm showing you, where you can sell video courses. Don't even think for a minute that I'm not an expert. Never ever think like that. I know I made the mistake thinking that I can't teach a course and stuff. Reason is, still I'm not teaching, but I do a video and stuff. Even if you know how to earn $1, there are millions or billions of people who don't know throughout the world how to earn that $1. You know what I mean? So you are really head of everybody. If you know how to earn $100, there are people who on the earth who don't know what even making money online is. So this is where it is. If you know how to do illustration, how to do animations, there are billions of people throughout the world searching online how to do animation, how to learn animation for free, what are the websites I can learn animations. So this is where you become a teacher. So don't even think like you don't know anything. You are a teacher in some level or other. So you can become like whatever you know. Come here, join this one and register, put the course. This is like, it's going to be like a passive, like once you download it, it's going to be either it is $10 course or like $100 course. It's going to be regular coming, whenever somebody comes in, they buy it. It's like easy money, guys. This is really very good. Out of like till the third, like I've shown you 3 websites, this is my first favorite one, Skillshare. Okay, so this is the one, selling video courses. And then comes this one. This is something you wouldn't have heard, creativemarket.com. I'm sure it's very rarely you might heard these websites. Okay, what is this? Same like Skillshare where I showed you, where you can put like video courses and stuff. This is the place where you can come and sell your own graphics, own fonts, own templates. If you know, like, there are billions and millions of people, I don't know, like how many people they every day need stock photos. They need more than stock photos. They need these kind of illustrations, the icons and stuff, where you might be good at Photoshop, you might be good at Adobe, the platforms where you can start doing your own illustrations or own logos, whatever. See this fonts, templates, whatever you are good at, come and add it over here. This is like, once you add it, people, they can come and buy like as long as you want. It's going to be there on this website, and you are going to be a seller, and people keep coming and buying it from you. It's an awesome place. I myself, I'll give an example. Other day I was searching for Islamic certificates, because there are certificates online. I search for certificate because I wanted to give a certificate for my, for the online students. I want to give a certificate. I was looking for the online certificates to download. When I searched, there is only a paid version. You know what I mean? So, and then specifically I was searching for Islamic certificate. It was very hard to get. So it's like this, many people throughout the world, they have different needs and they go online to search for this. And being in these websites, it is automatically free traffic for you, and you can start selling. It's an awesome place. This is my second top favorite after Skillshare, Creative Market. It's very rare you might have heard about this one. Make sure you be on this place. Whatever the skill you have, come and register and start adding your whatever it is, fonts, whatever it is. I myself don't know many of these, but I know people do make money from this website. I have bought from here, like through my mentor, where he regularly buys, and I get it for free from him because I pay for the course. So I get it through that one. Okay, so he buys a lot, and being the student of that mentor, he gives that for free. Like I pay for the course, but so what I mean. So I do get through that one anyway. So that's the idea behind. Just imagine, the wedding cards, birthday cards. These are all the things you can come and start selling. If you know how to do it, this is the place. Okay, Creative Market. That's the fourth one. And the last but not the least, this is like everybody know, I'm sure if you're not known, it's called Redbubble, where you can, same like how I told you, you can sell your own like digital products in the creative market. You can start selling merchandise, your own clothes, your own t-shirts, caps, just tell me, stickers, whatever it is. You can see the what exactly this place is, that where you can design your own, like you should have seen many entrepreneurs where they wear like they say that whatever, like you've seen Nas Daily, you would have seen the loading logo. You know what I mean? That just a bar on the loading, 20% loading. How do you do? What do you think he's doing? Basically, he uses platforms like Redbubble or many other platforms are there, where he just go and add his design onto the platform. That's it. And people who want to buy, they come and buy. They can have that same design on the t-shirt or the cap or the mugs, wherever you want. They can add that one and they buy it. So it's basically, you're free to join. You just add your designs, and people have the option to have the design on all of the platforms, like whatever the merchandise you want to sell, they can buy it from there. And only thing you get, like if it is like $20, Redbubble might take like $1 or $2 as a commission, and the remaining money is going to come to you. This is that powerful one, Redbubble. Okay, this is like, imagine creativity, community, and sweet cash. This is the topic. You can see this one. Whatever things you can see, uploaded design, customers find the purchase products are produced. It's like they take care of the product, they ship it, and it's all done. Even the card platform where they had to buy, the card, everything is taken care. Only thing you do is you add your designs. This is like a completely a separate topic to talk. Might be, if you really want, just drop a comment below. I will show you the places where you can get the designs and all those stuffs, where you can make use of how to add the designs over here, and you can start making money. It's a complete, like it's a long video I had to do on this one, but this is the place, guys. Imagine your art on over 70 unique products. You just have one art, whichever it is. I'll give you a hack, guys. Okay, I'll tell you a hack now. Before this, I showed you a platform which is called Creative Market. Come here, buy the fonts, buy the designs, the logos, come back to Redbubble, add it over here, and you have like Humpty number of designs for you ready to go with all these t-shirts. This is what the hack is actually. People go and buy from one platform all these designs and logos and whatnot, just come back to these kind of platforms and add it on these t-shirts and stuff. It's so simple to add, guys. It's like easy drag and drop, and people will have that option to buy all these from you, and you're just going to get money keep coming in with these platforms. I've just showed you just a small gist of it. There are lots and lots similar to Redbubble. There are lots and lots compared to Creative Market, even to Skillshare. All these are all awesome websites. I've shown you the top ones. There are many top ones as well, but I've shown you the best which I know. If you really want more videos on this, like more and more websites, drop a comment below. I'll do a video on this. But these top websites, first one as I showed you is Verbal Planet, then the Go Transcript, and then the Skillshare. My favorite, if you ask me, Skillshare and Creative Market. These are my two ones which as a teenager you can start doing. I'm sure you should have some skills, guys. In case if you think I don't know anything, I really need to learn something, I'll tell you also another website which is free ones as well. It's called Udemy, where a place where you can come and learn all whatever you want, whether to do with cooking, whether you do with animation, whether you to do with selling Facebook ads, whatever you want, you come and learn from here. There's a hack as well. I'll give you a hack as well. When you hear, go to search free courses, where you will be able to find lots and lots of actually, this is a paid platform. Actually, you need to pay and you need to buy the course and learn. Okay, this is what it is. In case if you don't have any skill, you can come and learn anything you want. But in case if you like, if you're short of cash, you can always search free. Or if you see this one, there's a price. If you come here, paid is 10,000. That means 10,000 courses are there which are paid ones, and there's a free one. So click free and it will be showing all the free. What you want, you come and learn here. This is the secret place basically, where like all the online marketers you see now, they have their courses here, for a cheap version, like a basic, because this is a place where many people come and learn a lot. So you come here, learn the skills, and then go replicate it in Skillshare or any other place, guys. So you can't say that I don't have any skill, I don't know where to do, what to do. So I also shown you a place where you can come and learn, and then you can teach even whoever you want to. Okay, that's the whole concept of it. That's Udemy. So as I said, my favorite ones are the Skillshare, where you can sell a video course, and then the creative market. I'm sure as a teenager you will have some skill. So this is a place where you can display the skill to the world. Don't even think like just do one font or one course and then leave it. It's something you need to keep working every day, and you will start seeing results, guys. Don't ever think it's going to be like an overnight success. It will take like 6 months or 1 year for anything for you to see that success coming in. So take some time, keep visiting these websites every day, and you will see like a way, or you will get some breakthrough in some way or other in any of these websites, and you will know, okay, this is what I want to do, and you can keep doing more and more of that. That's it, guys. The idea is all about as a teenager how to make money online. So I'm sure this video is helpful. If it is, just drop a comment below and like and share and comment. Like, it will help me a lot. If this is the first time, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so I can do more and more videos like this. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.